actually in our area for today, but there is a possibility for scattered showers and thunderstorms, not to mention the heat. It's going to be a hot one today. Parts of our region will hit 110 degrees. Let's take a look outside right now and see what's going on here.
Another little look at what we can expect outside today. It's going to be as humid.
Yes, it is going to be humid today, but Michelle, the good news is today is the last day. Tomorrow we'll get a nice little break, so that'll be the best day of the weekend. Well, guys, we're checking in on Tropical Storm Ophelia. Right now it's moving pretty fast, northeast at around 21 miles an hour with winds up to 60. You can see it's just over Nantucket at the current time in Cape Cod. Moving out of here real fast, but we are getting some effects of it. Tropical moisture pushing its way across the tri-state area. Also, we've got a cold front just to the west of us. That's ushering in some tropical moisture as well. So scattered showers and thunderstorms throughout the day, and along the Long Island coast, we're talking about some high surf. So not a good day to head to the beach today. Just stay inland and maybe take the umbrellas as you head out for those scattered showers and thunderstorms. So take a look at your planner for today. 8 o'clock, 73 degrees. As we head into this afternoon, 79. It'll be warm and humid throughout today. The good news is we'll see a few peaks of sunshine, but as I said, still that chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms. Back to you guys at the desk.
All right, Janine, thanks.
From winds, and here's a look at some of the other temperatures around the area. As I said, mainly lower 70s, 71 in Brooklyn, 73 degrees. As we head to Queens, Rye looking at 69. Also Poughkeepsie and Monticello at 66. Newark, 72 degrees. JFK, 71. Here's a look at AccuWeather radar and satellite. Now, we've been watching Ophelia over the past couple of days. Right now, Ophelia has picked up some speed here. You can see just over Cape Cod as well as Nantucket. Very heavy rain coming down across that area. Also, Boston getting in on a few scattered showers. But that is not our biggest effect for today. You can see just to the west of us, we've got a cold front. That's going to bring us the bulk of our showers that we get throughout this evening. Also, the cloud cover. And temperature-wise, still fairly comfortable. And then as we head into tomorrow, a nice little cool down on the way. So let's zoom on in on Ophelia here. You can see just to the northeast of us, actually, it'll continue to push its way on out. But as we zoom in a little closer, 8 o'clock this evening, continue to proceed just to the northeast. And as we head into tomorrow, moving right on through Nova Scotia. So not a real effect on degrees, not as humid. That'll be the best day of our weekend.
What you're talking about.
We'll be all right.
Thank you, Janine.
Yeah, thank you, Janine. All right, this Sunday at the South Street Seaport, there will be a very special South Street Seaport for the Hispanic Heritage Celebration. How you doing, Janine?
I'm doing pretty good, and you know, it's fantastic out here. Temperature's nice and cool, and we've got mainly clear skies, and we've got some salsa dancers right behind us, and they are doing their thing. We'll talk more about them in just a little bit. Right now, here's a look at the currents outside right now. As I said, temperatures just a bit on the cool side, but it feels pretty good out here, and it looks like we'll have plenty of sunshine as we head throughout the morning. Right now it's around 65 degrees and humidity is around 81%. We've got mainly clear skies. As I said, just a fabulous start to our Sunday. Now let's switch on over to the maps. Have to keep a very close eye on. Let's switch on over back to the next map, actually. The director of you guys in the studio where it's nice inside there as well.
All right, Janine, thank you. They're cooking there.
Yeah, they sure are.
Got the groove on bright and early. School year, of course, is officially underway, and up next we'll look at a new program to help gifted children.
Exactly, 22nd, first day of fall, Joe.
Wow.
Very good. Well, guys, we're out at the South Street Seaport. I'm learning, actually, some of the moves that you'll see for today for the Hispanic Heritage Celebration. Come on, guys, get the music going. Joe, I know you know how to do this. It's called the Susie Q. Let's go, ladies. Wait a minute, I'm kind of off here.
1, 2, 3, 5.
There we go.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3.
Let's go on over to the maps, guys. The Susie Q things. We'll send it back to you guys in the studio.
That is a tough act to follow, Janine.
Oh, definitely.
All right, thanks so much. Well, our top story, the rebuilding effort after Hurricane Katrina. The city of New Orleans is opening.
Eats a little better. Seaport this morning, getting her groove on. Tell us about the celebration there, Janine.
Joe, I am trying to get my groove on.
You're doing good.
They can definitely dance. Check them out. I'll learn a few more lessons as we head throughout the morning, so I'll be pretty good by the time we leave. Well, guys, let's take a look at the weather and see what's going on out here right now. We we've got mainly clear skies. It feels absolutely great out here. Right now it's around 65 degrees. The wind is out of the west actually at 6 miles an hour. The barometers are on the rise. The humidity is at 81%. Now less humidity today than what we celebration. Now you'll be singing Latin and pop, is that correct?
Yes, it's like a Latin pop fusion of Latin and dance music and pop. Yes. Here it goes. Ole, oh, we're dancing through the night. Add a little bit of bomba and the rhythm will unite. Ole, oh, we're singing all night long. If the temperature keeps rising, then the music just ain't wrong.
Thank you, and the temperatures will keep rising today, guys. See just a taste of what you can get this afternoon throughout this evening. I'll send it back to you guys in the studio.
Joe, you've got some of those clickers, don't you?
Yes, at home. I do that after the show, just to sort of loosen up. But a great event, Janine. I've been down there the last couple of years, and it's always a good time.
Yeah,
always a good time. Thank you, Janine. Coming up later in our show, the King of Pop. He gets ready to help the big...
This is Eyewitness News, the news leader, with Joe Torres and Michelle Charlesworth, Jenna Wolf with sports, and Janine Anderson with the exclusive AccuWeather forecast. Now, Eyewitness News.